let's see how to set up CUDA. So let's open our command prompt and click run as administrator. And now we have opened a command prompt. Let us type in the command to install CUDA. There will be a few steps, so please follow along. So we have to go to turn Windows features on or off before entering the command. And please follow here which checkboxes I am checking and which ones I'm not checking. So CUDA is used for parallel computing. It's created by NVIDIA. So this Hyper-V, we have to uncheck it. Check it. And CUDA programs can not only be written in the CU extension, but we can also write it in the Python extension. So here, this virtual machine platform should be checked on. So also keep in mind that the Windows Subsystem for Linux should be also checked on. And to get this working, you need to be enabled virtualization on your computer. So make sure you already do that. So enter this command. So you got an output, as you can see. So there are a lot of options to install. You can go ahead and enter enable. So here I'm trying to copy a specific command and I pasted it. Now after clicking enter, it starts installing. Click on yes. And now we'll wait for it to install. So CUDA is mainly used in high performance computing, and it's mainly used in the industries that rely on AI, big data, and complex simulations. So yeah, CUDA is pretty important under GPU computing, and this usually takes some time depending on your uh, computer performance. So changes will not be reflected until we reboot the system. So here we can see that it has been mentioned that the system may need to be restarted so the changes can take effect, like I said. So we can also see that it requires the Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you have to run this command that it's given. So let us run it, copy it and then run it. I'm just trying to make sure I didn't skip anything. Yeah. So CUDA is mainly used in machine learning and scientific simulations and image processing. So we'll be greeted with this new command prompt over here. We have to enter our details in it. I'm just using a dummy name for now. So this is the username and password you'll be using only hereafter, so you should remember it. So it's like a simulated Linux environment. So basically, CUDA has a full form. It's Compute Unified Device Architecture. So let's now input this command over here. So we can like update and upgrade everything. So for that, we're using this command. So I hope you all also remember the password that you created earlier because we have to input that as well. So here we can see that we have installed, like the updating process has started. So we're going to install this next command as well. This is for installing the other packages that we might need later on. So now it's been updated and we'll go to entering the next command. It's for upgrading Python. So Python is essential for a machine because it is the core of machine learning. So we're using this command to install pip python 3 pip, and Python is like it's not standard in a machine, so I have to install it. CUDA enables the use of NVIDIA's graphical processing units for general purpose computing tasks, meaning GPUs can be used for much more than just graphics rendering. So now we'll search for CUDA toolkit. I have to download CUDA toolkit. So here I can searching it up. You just search CUDA toolkit download. It might be 12.5 or 12.6, whatever is available at that time. And you pick your architecture, and so just follow along and see what I'm doing. So click on the version 2.0. So you have to follow these instructions that have been given in the website. You can directly put them in the terminal. So here I'm going to do the first one, copied it, and now I'm going to paste it in the terminal. Sometimes normal pasting doesn't work. In those times, you have to type the command out. I'm just here taking the entire both of the commands. Now we're waiting for it to get upgraded. It will take some time. Now we see this new uh, window. Follow what I'm doing. Go to install. After clicking install, take some time. Now we have installed it. So we have to like check our path is correct. Otherwise, we get in configuration error. So the first time I did this, I forgot to do this bit, so it didn't work for me. So please do this part properly as it's very important. So we have to add some stuff to our part. So I'm copying this part. It's actually a really important step. That's why I'm showing this in very detail. So here, this is the part that we have to add. So here I'm adding it. So now CUDA is all set up. We can go to the next experiment now.